Greetings, good rising from Latoya, aka Misgorjus. Today is a very special morning. I'm going to show you how I get ready. I'm already dressed, so you don't need to know that. But I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup. Yay! So stay tuned.
So my face is already cleaned and moisturized. I use like a tad bit of coconut oil to put on my face. You know, not real greasy or shiny or anything, just enough for the moisture. So anyway, I do have my flat iron plugged in, and I dropped it. Okay. So anyway, just do my own thing, cause I almost do my foundation. See how much I have on my hand? Very light. I do that and just pat it and blend it in. You'll notice that I use my finger, and those are just two colors I mix together so that way I get the complexion that I want. To me, my complexion is a little bit different, and mostly with the foundation and the makeup, or my reason for wearing makeup, is that I just want my skin to look more even and smooth. So, after I get that on pretty well, I just kind of rub it in, rub it all over my face. And yeah, see, there's nothing left on my hand now. I'm not a little bit fierce anymore. I just kind of rub it on my chin and downward motion so it's blended. Okay, so I usually just, I don't curl my hair every day. But depending on the weather, is usually sometimes I have to curl it a lot more than I'm out and about. You know, not like if I'm at home and then my hair's wrapped. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to have to wrap my hair anyway. At least keep it tied up. And I don't have a relaxer guide. I just have a nice blowout compliments of camera. I do my own hair for the most part, but I also have a stylist as well. And when I go to my stylist, Lord knows I'd be so happy. It's okay if your hair sheds. It's supposed to shed hair every single day. When you comb or brush your hair. But if your hair is coming out excessively, then that could be some hair loss, hair damage, because it shouldn't be coming out as much. Not when you just comb it or not when you just grab it, it shouldn't be coming out in clumps or anything like that. Come out right. See? It's a little shape. See, I like to keep my stuff intact because natural hair is a whole nother lane. Humidity, water, all of that plays a part. And I would just rather kind of put these curls in it and not touch it than have to, you know, just in case a frizz comes or just gets weather changes, it's like your hair is straight and it's like your hair like, boom, like just swells up. Yeah, I'm not having that. I can, you know, do mine with something like that, bam, bam, do something like that, whatever, both, whatever I want to do, basically. It's my hair, so anyway. And me, I like to start with, yeah, I use it, Modern Renaissance. Anastasia. It'd be funny how, like, everything's backwards in the camera, but we still do it, you know? So anyway, I just do, like, really, really light. Just really do it really light. Just use it as a base. That's tempera. It's a really light base. And I'll be, as far as my side job, it's clean.
So I'm going to go with light and simple. Let me just do this real quick because this is key. Brush those eyebrows. After the foundation, just at least brush them in the direction that you want them to go. See, my eyebrows are rather thin, so I'm actually going to be trying something new. I'm definitely taking a break from waxing I'm taking a break from the waxing so that I can, you know, just try to get my eyebrows as thick as I can. And my eyebrows have never been super thick, so, you know. But I just put this orange on me is called Real Gar. It's that orange right there. So I'm just putting this up here in the creases just as a little accent. I don't think I've even worn this color. I might have tried it, but I haven't really worn it. So it's gonna be really light. Okay, and then if there's nothing else that I want to use in here in particular, I'll just go right over here. Boom.
This is another little eyeshadow palette that I have. And since when I'm doing like natural, I will put, this is like a little rose gold color. I'll put a little rose gold on the eyelid. Boom, 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 boom. A little rose gold on this eyelid. Okay. And as you can see, I just like that. Okay, now this is another beautiful, beautiful color. I don't know what color it is. To be honest, put this right here. Boom. Boom. It's like a light pink shimmer. It's like a light pinkish purple. Let's put that right in the crease. Yeah. I might take a little bit of this. And then just take that up there. But I will take, say like this very light, little champagne. Just boom. Just touch it. So, can you see? Oh, now I need to blend, my friend. Now it's time to blend. Blend, blend. Okay. So, take that into the brush. And I just kind of circle sweep, blend out those lines. Because I don't do very heavy makeup, I don't try to be heavy when I am blending. I try to be really, really light. So that way I keep, you know, the contrast going. See? Can you see it? I don't know if you can see that or not. But I know you'll be able to tell before and after when I'm all finished. Okay. Okay. I won't be looking at my lips. I like to mix it up. That's just me. Love, love, love to be unique, darling. It's all about the uniqueness, darling. Okay.
Carry on. Alright, so Stunner. Okay, this is a Tarte. No, this is Tarteist Pro Glow. Yeah, Tarte right there. Alright. Stunner. Bam, 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 bam. This is actually like a highlighter kit. It's got a little contouring in it, but I just like to highlight. I love for my skin to glow. The other one I use is Strobe. So I kind of put the strobe right in here.
Yeah, put the strobe right in here, put a highlight. Keep the stunner right here. Boom. Now, I don't know about you girls, but I have a slight mustache. So, I do use some of my lighter colors to blend that mustache and make it look a lot lighter, because it's always like a shadow there even though there's no hair there. So get a shadow. I have a mole growing there now, so I'll be like, okay, let's kill it. Not the mole, but the shadow in the mustache. So now, I just take my little brush. We're getting closer. Okay, so let's see. I like to stick on this one, and this is my purple mascara. It's actually like a light lavender color, but you can't see it that well. So sometimes I just started doing my own thing, and I use this on the bottom because it's got a nice little brush up there, so I can shape my lashes and kind of get them sticking out how I want them to. See that? See the difference? It's not a lot, but I don't wear lashes every day, so gotta do what I do. So I just do this. Oh,
Oh.
Listen, just me. I like this boom. Because I just want them to just be a little more shapely. A little more shapely. Okay? I want to keep it natural, so I do a natural stroke when I stroke with the brush. Okay? Keep it very natural. See? Do you see the difference between the two eyebrows? No? You don't see no difference. Okay, there is a slight difference between both eyebrows. See the eyebrow over here to my right. My right. This one has the pomade. This one does not. See? I must look in the mirror, not in the camera. So, boom, boom, boom. Just kind of, yeah. There you go, darling. It only takes us a minute amount to, yes, darling. And voila, you have, the perfect brown for Saturday. Okay. Now, lipstick, darling, lipstick. Okay, so right here is that pretty mad, is that crap, baby, is that crap, okay? I have to find that right one for me, because, yeah. I need to make sure my lipstick is not coming off on everything. Especially on expensive clothes. You know, like, I want to wear lipstick, but I don't want it on everything. And I actually found the perfect brand of matte color for me. It makes my lips look like they're lined. It doesn't come off. It comes off when it needs to, but it's not like stained really hard. And I've had some
issues. But the last thing I need to do, I'll be right back.
Okay. See how I got a little bit wet from that setting spray? That's the got to get together. So, did you have any, let's see that mascara? After it dries, just
So, this is my final look. Hope you guys enjoyed. See, I can just do whatever I want to do with the curls. They're pretty versatile, you know? So that's why I like them. I just kind of keep playing with my hair, you know, just to kind of go for that. It's a dramatic look or a more polished look. It's up to you. But I'll see you guys next time. Stay gorgeous.